Can this buck the trend and continue to the upside? So we've had a nice recovery on Bitcoin. We made it above that key $89,000 level that we were talking about yesterday, and we are continuing to move away. In terms of overhead resistance, we've got a little bit coming in at about 93K, just under, and then this 98K level and 100K as the psychological round number are really going to be our major hurdle, and that corresponds to these pivot lows here in June and November of this year. Represents the bottom of that range, also aligns with some of the fib levels we were looking at yesterday. So those will be our two major hurdles. If we are looking to the 4-hour, we are on our way to recovery here. I would anticipate if on low volume over the holiday, we can get up to this 93K level. Maybe we'll see a little bit of a pullback and then attempt this trend line. That would be our third retest of this trend line, so we might wrestle with that a little bit to try to get that fourth time breakout, but let's take one day at a time. If I am looking at RSI, we did on the 4-hour break through that downtrend on the RSI, and we had a fourth time breakout there with touch point 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's a good sign. And we still have a lot of room to run both on the 4-hour and particularly on the daily where we broke out of this RSI downtrend. Now, the real hurdle here will be, which is coming in incidentally around 89K, that upper band. Can we get right through it, or are we going to reject again? And the last time we tested that on Bitcoin, we did reject. So can this buck the trend and continue to the upside?